What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're gonna take you behind the scenes and show you what is in the shop. We'll start here in LATROBE. This is our OG store, for those of you that don't know that. We've got a BMW 2 Series. This car was in here a couple of weeks ago. It's a very unique purple color, and we did paint protection film on the front end, and then he realized that the hood was starting to get chipped up as well, so it's back for protection on the hood. Over here, Caleb is working on a Lamborghini Urus. So this car came from factory with a matte finish paint job. For those of you that know what that means, it's really almost impossible to take care of. If stuff sits on it, it stains it. If it gets scratched, you can't polish it out. You're like really at the mercy of the elements if you're gonna drive the car. So this is entirely wrapped now with XPEL Stealth, and all the gloss trim pieces are protected with XPEL Ultimate. So now the owner doesn't have to worry about that kind of stuff. Also, we are ceramic coating the wheels. Check out the difference between the front wheel and the back wheel. Caleb just cleaned and coated the rear wheel and caliper. The front one is still dirty, of course, so massive difference there. The wheels are gonna be a lot easier to clean with that coating on it. Over here on the lift, this is like the week of cool SUVs. We've got a G63 G-Wagon. This is the twin-turbo AMG version. This one's getting a full protection film wrap as well. That's what Aaron is working on right now on the door. We're almost done with this car, so we've got the bumpers left, and I think 2 doors and a fender flare or something like that, so getting close. That's also getting coated afterwards, so lots of protection on this G-Wagon. Behind the Urus, we've got a Audi Q5, I think. Yep. This one got polished and coated. It is ready to go home. And in the wash bay, 2.0, that's what we call them. We have 2 Calebs. You can't call them both Caleb. You get confused. So he's 2.0. He's working on cleaning up a BMW. This car got paint protection on the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the rocker panels, as well as window tint all the way around with the full windshield with our XR Plus line. That tint's gonna keep lots of heat out of that car to keep the driver more comfortable. And in the tint bay, I told you this is SUV week. We've got a Escalade. I think this is the black Onyx package one too. This car previously had a full wrap by us. Not sure what happened, but we had to redo 2 of the doors. They didn't have film on them anymore, so I don't know if it was in an accident or somebody keyed it or what, but we had to do new film on there. So also, Terrell's retinting the windows on it. Why? They were too dark, right? Yeah, he decided he wanted to go lighter. He's had the car for about a year, I think, since we've done the work on it. And outside, we have a beautiful day here. It's like almost 70 degrees. Z71 package Silverado. This one just got window tint, ready to go home. Beside it is an Audi R8. This belongs to our good friend Tony. If you guys need some high-end firearms, check out Defender's Armory in Jeanette. They've got awesome stuff. It's always in stock. That's where I get all my stuff. Anyhow, that's his car. And we're taking that up to our Gibsonia store. We're gonna clean it up and store it up there for the winter. Over here we have a GMC Sierra. This car previously had coating on it, and then something happened. I think it was an accident. There was part of the bed and something else that needed recoated. So we went ahead and took care of that. Yeah, that one definitely had body shop work because there was swirl marks and things like that we had to polish out. And this, in my opinion, is the crowning jewel this week. So this is the GT4 RS. You guys might know I have the 718 GT4. This car is my dream. I wanted one, but I could not get one. They're almost impossible to get. They're selling for hundreds of thousands over the sticker. And this one's here for a full wrap in 10 mil paint protection film, and then a ceramic coating as well. Yeah, take some time to appreciate this thing because it is awesome. And over here we've got a Dodge Durango. Again, a car that we'd previously done work on that came back because of some outside situation and parts of it needed to be redone. So we went ahead and took care of that. And that's it for what's happening in Latrobe this week. Thank you guys for watching, and let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh, and maybe we'll get to catch up with Patrick in Miami.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a look at what's going on here in the Gibsonia shop. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter leisure van. So this is basically a Mercedes Sprinter converted into an RV. Inside this is super, super cool. Has a full kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, the whole works. This is getting the works from us as well. It's getting the front end done in our XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. This front piece above the windshield is really prone to being chipped by rocks, along with these 2 pieces on the side here. We're calling them the pillars because they kind of stick out there. Covered in the Ultimate Plus paint protection film, tinting the 2 front doors along with the full windshield in XR Plus 70%, topped off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We still have the EQS AMG in the shop. You can see the progress we've made on the dent so far. It's a heck of a lot better. We are not quite done with it. Anthony's coming back today to finish up that body line. Once that is complete, since the paint was saved by the paint protection film, we're going to be rewrapping the door and the back quarter panel, and our stealth paint protection film. Next up for a full paint correction and ceramic coating is this Hyundai Elantra N. This is in for a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Some really cool red accents on this vehicle that I like a lot. And once it's all corrected and coated, it's going to be shining like it's showroom ready. Our in progress ceramic coating is this 2022 Mazda CX-50. We have the paint polished on this vehicle right now, got the wheels done, just have to get the body and the trim, and it's ready for pickup. In the tint bay is this 2022 BMW M4 convertible. This is getting our XPEL XR Plus 5% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Once that's complete, we'll be polishing out all the paint and topping it off with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Here we have Ian prepping this 2022 Tesla Model Y. This is in for our full front paint protection film package. Our full wrap of the week is this 2022 Range Rover. We're doing all the piano black pieces in Ultimate Plus and the bottom painted area in Stealth. We have a debate in the shop this week. Is this paint brown or is it gray? I'm team brown here, but I know Austin believes it's gray. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. In the showroom, we have a very special vehicle. This is from our friend Justin from Horsepower Obsessed. If you guys are into Corvettes, check out his YouTube channel. Again, that's Horsepower Obsessed. This is in for the works, basically. We tinted it in LATROBE. It got a full front bumper and a full hood in our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We're going to be completing the wrap on this vehicle, along with topping it off with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. So this is going to be living here at the shop for the next few months, so stay tuned for the updates on this vehicle. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It is Wednesday again, so let's see what we have going on in the shop down in here in Miami this week. We're going to start outside today because we do have the first car out here, and then we'll go inside and see what's going on in there. So starting outside, we have a 2023 Kia Sportage. This one is actually just in for our XPEL paint protection film. It's going to be getting the partial front end. So we already took off the Kia letters here. That way it's a much cleaner installation. We don't have any cutouts around the letters. But it's going to be getting a partial front end. So we're going to do about 18 to 24 inches up on the hood here, which will equal out onto the fenders. And then we're also going to be doing these big headlights, as well as this silver piece here, and then all of the rest of the bumper down here, and then also the mirrors. So this is actually next up for the paint protection film. It's already washed and prepped, so they're just ready to bring it in when we get a second and start the installation. All right, and then inside we're working on a 2021 Lincoln Aviator. This one got our track package, so we basically did the full front clip as well as the rocker panels, and we also did the A, B, C, and D pillars on this as well. And then once that is all done, we're going to be topping it off with the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. It's going to go onto the paint, the PPF, the glass, plastics trim, and then we're going to take these beautiful wheels off, do a deep cleaning on them, and cut the face, barrel, and the back of the spokes with those as well. So that's all that we have going on this week here at the Miami store. We will see you guys here next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. We'll catch you later.